Hello, KangaTuber here. Today I will show this TCBM that I did with the Swedish PokeTuber a while ago, and I'm sorry that I didn't upload it when I promised. I know I said it would have been up the week before, but like I said twice already, I just didn't have time, and that's why it didn't got up. And yeah, I'm just going to cut it open. Wait, I'm doing it off cam. It's way easier. And I brought the scissor for once, actually, which I'm really happy about. And they sent it in a nice plastic thing. Really great if it's raining. The funny thing was it had been raining the entire week, and when it finally arrived, not finally because it was fast, but when it arrived there was sunny outside and great weather, so pretty weird. Well, here, packaged this very great. Oops, there we go. And here's the cards, I guess. I'm going to move them a little bit so you can't see them because it's boring to spoil. And here's a note. Let's see. It's something. Dear KangaTuber, I'm so happy that I'm back to trading, and that my first trade in 4 months is with you. I hope you enjoy all the cards and that we can trade again sometime. Stay awesome, Swedish PokeTuber. And a smiley and a cool Pokemon sticker. And thanks a lot. And I'm really happy myself that I got to be the first one to trade with you. And I'm so glad you're back. It would have been so boring otherwise without you in the Swedish Pokemon community. To be honest. And okay, I will show you the smaller trade first, and it's for those 2 cards. It's a Musharna and a Stoutland, both from black and white. I need both, and especially I like Stoutland since Herdier is one of my favorite Pokemons of this generation. So those 2, and then also in this anime sleeve, I don't know the series. Yeah, I don't know really, but it's a pretty cool sleeve. And in it we have a bottom half Palkia and Dialga legend, so that's really great. So now it is even one card less to complete for the set of Triumphant. Oops, sorry. And this is how it looks like, if it cools in. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, there we go. Looks really cool together like that. Yeah, really cool. And yeah, then he was super kind and sent some extras. You can see here, extras and a smiley, and I will go through them. So we have Moltres. Yeah, there we go. Shamco. Yeah, that's a really nice card, since I am more or less collecting this Hidden Legends set. Claydol from Supreme Victors, I think, and I'm actually collecting that set as well, so that's great. Slowking from Color Legends, which is also a set that I'm collecting. And a Primeape from Supreme Victors. So thanks a lot for the trade and the great extras, since I actually needed all of them, I think. So yeah, thanks a lot to Swedish PokeTuber for making this trade, and I'm so glad you're back into PokeTubing again. And the next video, and by the way, I will put a link to his channel in the description, and so go and check him out, because he's doing some awesome openings, really rare teams and stuff like that, and other newer openings as well, so you get a little bit of everything on his channel. But the next video will be up on Friday, I think. It will be 3 videos this week, since once again I have a video that is related to Booster Pack Open of the Week, so I want to upload that before the actual Booster Pack Open of the Week. So that's why, and I hope you guys enjoy all the videos that is going to come. And yeah, stay tuned for that. Cheers!